Every morning, before the world fully wakes up, he walks to the same quiet corner of the house. It's not a special place, just a simple patch of floor where the sunlight gently rests. But to him, it matters. He doesn't rush there. He doesn't hesitate. He just knows that the sun will be waiting. When he was younger, he used to chase everything. Shadows on the wall, falling leaves outside the window, tiny sounds that no one else could hear. He believed the world was something to run after, but somewhere along the way, he changed. Now, instead of chasing the light, he lets the light come to him. He lowers his body slowly, folds his paws beneath him, and closes his eyes. And in that small golden silence, he becomes completely still. No anxiety, no urgency, no invisible pressure to be somewhere else. Just warmth. The sun moves slowly across the floor, and every few minutes, he adjusts his body just a little. Not impatiently, not dramatically, just enough to stay in the light. I used to think he was doing nothing, just a cat, sleeping away the morning. But the longer I watch him, the more I realize he might understand something I don't. He doesn't measure his worth by productivity. He doesn't compare his life to the neighbor's cat. He doesn't worry about what he didn't finish yesterday or what he needs to accomplish tomorrow. He eats when he's hungry. He rests when he's tired. He sits in the sun when it appears. That's it. And somehow, that feels complete. Sometimes the world feels too loud, too fast, too demanding. There's always something to reply to, something to fix, something to chase. But here he is, completely untouched by all of it, breathing slowly, letting the morning unfold without trying to control it. Maybe peace was never meant to be chased. Maybe it was always something that quietly arrives when we stop running. I sit beside him sometimes, not to film, not to think, just to feel the warmth on my own skin. And for a few minutes, I understand. Tomorrow morning, the sun will return to this same corner, and he will be here again. Not because he has a plan, but because he trusts that the light will find him. And maybe that's enough.